Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing super duper amazing. So, if you guys are new to my channel, hi, I'm Pooja. I post makeup and fashion related video on my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and let's make this family huge. Make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how I achieved this mask friendly makeup look using all of the L'Oreal makeup product. Plus, this is the sort of makeup look which you guys can carry in a daytime or as well as in night time. Also, this is super easy to achieve and really long lasting. So if you guys are interested to know like how I achieve this look, then you should definitely keep on watching. So guys, I have already done my skincare routine, so I'm directly gonna start off by my makeup. So the first thing I'm going to use is a primer. So primer is really important, and for that I'm going to use this L'Oreal Beige Musique primer, and I'm just going to apply that on my concern area like my T-zone, and I'm going to blend that with my fingers and making sure it have evenly applied on my concern area. I'm just taking this makeup setting spray and damping my beauty blender so it will give me a very smooth application of my foundation. And guys, for my foundation I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Guys, this foundation is so amazing. It is like it blends out like a dream and it really gives very smooth finish. Also अगर guys आपकी oily skin है तो you should definitely try this foundation out क्योंकि आपके ये skin को मैट रखती है काफ़ी लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए. सो योर मेकअप विल लुक अमेजिंग एंड इट गोना स्टे ऑन योर फेस फॉर गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर इज फ्रॉम रियल टेक्निक, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू डैप दैट प्रोडक्ट इन टू माई स्किन लाइक इन अ बफिंग मोशन. आई एम नॉट जस्ट स्वाइपिंग इट, मैं इसे अच्छी तरीके से अपने स्किन में प्रेस कर रही हूँ टू गेट द इवन कवरेज एवरीवेयर. Now guys, I am using the same foundation on the back of my hand and I'm just going to apply that where I had little bit of pimple marks. So guys, मैं इस makeup look में कोई भी concealer use नहीं कर रही हूँ because I don't have any L'Oreal concealer. But instead this foundation is really full coverage, so I'm going to use it as a concealer as well. Also, this doesn't feel heavy on my face, so that is the reason I am really not doubting to layer it up. So you guys can also feel free to apply this foundation as many ways as you can. So again मैं इसे as a concealer भी अपने अंडर आइज में अप्लाई कर रही हूँ and with the help of the same beauty blender मैं इसे अच्छे से blend कर लूँगी. And also guys, make sure to blend your foundation on your neck area as well so everything will look even and together. Now guys, to set all of the cream product into place, for that I have used L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Press Powder. Sorry guys, I have missed the clip or it got deleted by mistakenly, that is the reason I'm not showing you all, but I'm using the same powder to set my skin. I really love that powder, it's so lightweight, also it is so good for oily skin and quite long lasting as well. Also I'm mainly focusing on my under eye as well. Now guys, I'm going to add some color on my cheeks. For that I'm going to use this lipstick as a blush. I really love this kind of जुगाड़, like आप एक चीज़ को दो तीन तरीके से यूज़ कर सकते हो and that is quite time saving also. So now guys, I'm using the same beauty sponge to apply my blush and I'm just going to apply that on the apple of my cheeks. And guys, this blush is so good, I mean this lipstick is so good, it really looks very natural and give good flush of color on my cheeks. Also guys, ये थोड़े टाइम के बाद settle down भी हो जाता है बहुत अच्छी तरीके से. And yes, now guys, I'm going to add some highlighter to my face because obviously without highlighter कोई भी makeup look complete नहीं होता है. So for that I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Lavian Glow highlighter palette and I'm in the shade Cool Glow and मैंने middle का shade I think second और third shade pick किया है and I'm just going to apply that on the highest point of my face, like the area जहाँ पे light hit करती है and it gives some sort of shine. So basically that is my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, little bit on my forehead, my brow bone, cupid's bow, and also on my chin. And guys, this highlighter palette is so damn beautiful. It is so like a everyday, very subtle and very soft kind of highlighter. So if you are somebody who really don't love to look like a disco ball, then you might try this one out. This is so amazing. Now guys, to set and lock everything into place, for that I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Makeup Extender, and I'm going to spray that on my beauty blender, and then I'm going to dab that beauty blender all over my face. So basically guys, मुझे ये तरीका कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है to apply my makeup fixer. Any which ways मैं उसे अपने face पे spray करती हूँ and then I just run my beauty blender. Like it is one and all same basically, so I do it like this way. So guys, now I'm going to do my eyebrow. For that I'm going to use this L'Oreal Brow Artist Brow Pomade, and I'm just going to use the same brush which comes along with that product. And basically what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to outline my eyebrow following the natural shape of my eyebrow, and then guys I'm filling the sparse area. So basically guys, what I like to do is I really like to deposit the color on my tail, and then on the starting of my eyebrow I don't do it such. जो भी प्रोडक्ट ब्रश में लेफ्ट आउट होते हैं मैं वो जस्ट थोड़ा बहुत लगा लेती हूँ. सो लाइक दैट वे योर आईब्राउ लुक्स नेचुरल एंड ये एक परफेक्ट ग्रेडियंट क्रिएट कर देता है. सो मेक श्योर कि आप प्रोडक्ट को आगे ना अप्लाई करें, सो इट विल लुक वेरी आर्टिफिशियल एंड फेक. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रश माई आईब्राउ जस्ट टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ऑल ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. And now guys, for my eye makeup, again guys I'm using the same technique which I have used for blush. So basically I'm using the same lipstick as my eyeshadow also, and with the help of this flat shader brush I'm going to apply that color on my eyes. So basically guys, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, first I'm going to place the color on my outer V, and then I'm just taking that color into my crease, like I'm blending it in a back and forth motion, or you can call it windshield wiper motion. So I'm doing it until I get the desired pigmentation or the desired color I need on my crease. And guys, blending is a key. Also this lipstick is really lightweight, so it really blends out effortlessly, whether it is like an eyeshadow or it is like a blush. Yeah. Now guys, I'm going to use the same highlighter palette, and from that palette मैं ये first color pick करूँगी, and I'm just going to apply that on my 1/3 eyelid. So guys, this highlighting shade is so beautiful. It is like a perfect iridescent sort of color which have lots of colors, like it looks like purple, pink, violet, blue, whatever, and this looks so beautiful on my eyes that you can already see. Also it really gives the hues of lilac as well. So मैं उसे अच्छे से अपने lid पर apply कर लिया है, and then with the help of same brush I'm just going to soften out all of the edges. मैं कोई भी product उस brush में नहीं लिया है, just whatever was left मैंने उसी से blend कर लिया है. Now I'm going to use this gel eyeliner from L'Oreal, and I'm going to draw a little bit of winged just to give some dimension to my eye makeup. So I really don't wanted कि मेरा eye makeup flat लगे. So मैंने एक angle brush के help से मैं just अपने outer V से एक flick out करी हूँ, and then I'm just going to blend it out. And guys, now I'm going to use the same gel eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that on my 1/3 of waterline. मैं इसे अपने पूरे waterline पे apply नहीं कर रही हूँ, just on the 1/3 of my waterline, and with the help of this angled brush again मैं उसे भी blend कर लूँगी just to look everything soft and really diffused. Now guys, all eyeshadow blending is done. Now I'm going to add a highlighter on my brow bone and my inner corner, so my eye makeup will look more wide awake and it have more dimension. So I'm going to use the middle shade, and I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone and also on my inner corners. Now guys, it's time to dress up my eyelashes. For that I'm going to use this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm just going to apply a good coat of mascara on both of my lashes. Basically guys, I barely have eyelashes, like इतना barely है कि ये दिखाई भी नहीं देते हैं. So that is the reason I really love to go extra with my mascara. So थोड़े बहुत तो उनकी visibility हो ही जाएगी. So I am just applying it, and also this mascara is so good. It is like my recent favorite mascara and I'm quite loving this one, and मैं इसे बहुत frequent use भी कर रही हूँ. Guys, it's time for a lipstick. So before that I'm removing all of the excess lip balm, and I'm just going to use this L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I'm in the shade I Choose. So I'm just going to apply that all over my lips, and you guys, this lipstick is so good. Like, the formula of this lipstick is so lightweight, so comfortable, and so easy to apply. I really love this lipstick. I highly urge you to try this lipstick out if you haven't already. Now guys, I am done with my makeup and everything. I have just opened my hair, and yes guys, this is my final look. Very easy to achieve, very super freshy, very glowy, and really lightweight. I hope you guys liked it and you enjoyed watching my video, and if you really did so, then you guys know the drill. Make sure you just hit the like button, share with your friends and family. It means everything to me. Also guys, all of the product name, link, everything I'll mention in the bottom bar, so do check it out before leaving this video. And now guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see ya, take care, and see you soon. And guys, do support me, it means everything to me.